Hope we're making you hungry with these healthy choices. Welcome back into Good Day Charlotte. It's January 15th, so how are you doing on your New Year's resolution to get healthy? Maybe you're hanging in there, maybe not, but we've got Samantha Eaton here to help coach us through making some good choices. Good to see you.
Yeah,
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
What do you see most of the time? People overly ambitious with
Yes.
what they're trying to do. Why do you say we need to ease into just making good choices?
Absolutely. So there was actually a recent study that showed setting long-term goal like losing weight is great for an initial motivation boost, but it doesn't last. So they found that the people who were the most successful switched their focus away from that long-term goal and towards the immediate benefit. So instead of exercising to lose weight, think about what exercising gives you right now. So exercise because you want an energy boost or a boost in mood, or you can focus better, because that will help you stay motivated longer term to actually reach your long-term goal.
And that still applies to the food that we fuel our bodies with. So
It does.
what do we have here?
Yeah, so what I found is in January especially, a lot of people are looking to make some restrictions, right? Some self-imposed restrictions to make up for all of those holiday overindulgences.
The fun.
Yeah, they're like, no more sugar, no more carbs, I'm eating this many calories per day. And what that does is you're motivated for a little bit. Ultimately, the motivation dies down. You're relying on your willpower a whole lot more to stay on track. You do really good all day or all week. Then when nighttime or the weekend comes around, you overindulge. Then you promise yourself you'll start again on Monday, and the cycle continues. Because research shows that relying on willpower is not an effective long-term solution at hitting your goals either.
So what do we need to put on our plate?
Yeah,
what do we
so
look
this is
for?
a great swap. So instead of focusing on restriction, focus on adding. So figure out what you want to eat and then put it in the ratios of a balanced plate, I call it. So this is a very basic version just to show you what it looks like. Essentially fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter of your plate with protein, a quarter of it with carbs, ideally a complex carb, and then have healthy fats on there as well. So this is an example that I have. That's actually going to be my lunch today. So
Looks
that
good.
is, thank you. I used brown rice pasta, and I used about this much. I have chicken on there, about this much, and then I have a ton of vegetables all mixed in there. So I'm able to get my, carb craving, my pasta, but have it in a balanced way so that my blood sugar stays balanced, I'm fuller longer, I have better energy.
And you don't crave
I
the
don't
sugar and the
crave
carbs
that because I'm having it satisfied in my meal, and I'll use some type of a sauce on there that has healthy fats to get
Absolutely.
that
That looks so delicious. Samantha Eaton, thanks
you.
for coaching us to being
Sure.
healthier. We appreciate your time. Stay with us. We'll be right back.